Kabinegard, by nature. They are very sweet. Quack. Quack, quack, quack. 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 Pero silang ngipin, oh. It's like laser braid. Ouch! Ouch! Matalim din pala yung ano nila. Eat well! Bonding moment with my geese. Rare color. Quack quack. Nasasaktan ako, ha. Quack quack. Ang kulit. Ay, mga ducklings. After nilang naligo, ganyan sila kalinis. Very clean and very white. Bye-bye. Please follow me. Thanks for the people who followed already. Thank you so much for your kind consideration. And thank you for liking and commenting to my post. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye-bye.